Hi, I'm Joan Maloney, a 14-year qualified nutritionist. I run my own clinic helping people to change their lives by becoming healthier. Weight loss, it's just part of that. I work with both men and women, and I find that there is a lot going on in people's lives. By being accountable and supported by somebody like me, it helps to get people to goal. I help you to project manage your weight loss journey, and I set very firm maintenance periods in between weight loss periods to help the weight to stay off long term. By the end of the 10 weeks working with me, you will have covered these 10 educational topics. The more knowledge that you have, the easier it is to make the changes. And all these topics are very interesting, and they all impact weight and health. I've been overweight myself, and I've lost it, and I've kept it off. Because one-on-one motivation, it gets results. And you need the time to make the changes. You become my project, it is intensive. Clients reported to be also very enjoyable. Now, before I take a client on, I take a call with them to make sure that we are a good fit. So what have you got to lose? Just wait. Call me 086 316 7041. All of my meetings are online. I'm based in Dublin in Ireland. Check out my website justwait.ie, and you can see all of my recipes and everything are published online. Everything is very transparent. So give me a call.